back to our channel TourWidUs for another video of morning ride. Bangalore is a place which is surrounded by so many beautiful locations which are good for day outing. Till now we have visited some places which end road towards Tumkur road. That's why this time we want to ride through another route. As we are searching for the destinations, we came to know about a fort which is towards airport route and around 90 km from Bangalore. The fort is known as Gudibande fort and it was built in 17th century. The main significance of the fort is that there are 7 different escape points which are interconnected and was built for the soldiers. Apart from that, there is a Shiva temple in that fort. There are 19 rainwater harvesting reservoirs which was built in that fort and that too in 17th century. Apart from that, the view from the top is awesome. So let's get into the ride and check the location.
Hi friends, early morning, cool wind and adrenaline rush and the body motivates to gear up and roll out for a ride. Today we are heading towards Gudibande fort, which is around 90 kilometers from my place. Joy and Priyanka are waiting outside and here we meet them. It's early morning, around 6:30 am. We started our ride and we were pretty excited to check out the fort. Today we would be riding towards the airport road, and this is the Hebbal flyover. Since we are coming from Tumkur road, so we have to go towards left to meet the airport road, also known as Bellary Road, Bangalore Hyderabad Highway, and even Srinagar Kanyakumari Highway. Today we have seen many bikers rolling out for their morning rides. After crossing the airport junction, you would see beautiful places surrounding the highways, and that's one of the hill which is surrounded by clouds. This is what motivates me to get out for a morning ride. These are really beautiful to see. The highways are really on very good condition, and guys, don't overspeed. Maintain your speed so that you can avoid any unwanted circumstances. So from this highway we have to take a left towards the service road, and after that we have to take a left turn and go straight towards the road which is shown in the Google map. I want to say that even the small roads are very beautiful and they are maintained pretty well. This was the shot taken from Priyanka's phone. We found out a little bit of muddy area as it was raining yesterday, but that's okay for a rider to ride. On the way, we came across a lake which is known as Vedasagara Lake, which is 2.5 km towards Gudibande fort. The view from this place is very scenic, but you can see it's a little bit muddy because of the rainy weather in Karnataka region. There were many bikers who were standing beside the road and clicking some pics, and here comes the Hayabusa where Priyanka and Anisha took some pics. We also clicked some pics with our bikes. We then headed towards Gudibande fort, which is in the Chikkaballapur District of Karnataka. So from here you have to take a bit U-turn, and now you have to take a left turn, and the road is very narrow, so don't get confused. Just open to it and you will reach the location and you have to park the vehicle here.
कोई काउंट करने वाले हो हम कितने स्टेप्स जाने वाले हैं?
I think 300 to 400.
Approx 500. So everybody said this it's approx 500 ना, तो हम काउंट करते करो, मैं तो नहीं करने वाली हूँ. सब 1 2 3 4 उसके बाद खत्म.
It's just halfway.
I can't trek. Let's see if I can reach.
So our destination is there. पागल सैनिक है, मैं नहीं. So हमें इस तरीके से ट्रैक करके जाना पड़ेगा किले तक पहुंचने के लिए. और अभी मिल गया गुफा. मैंने अपने सैनिकों को सामने भेजा है देखने के लिए कि कहीं दुश्मन नहीं है वहाँ पे. और एक सिपाही चकनाचूर हो गई है.
और बकवास ना किए, फोटो खींचो.
जय बजरंगबली, दौड़ दुश्मन की नली, मेरा नली ना टूट जाए.
ये वीडियो में जरूर देना, कट मत करना.
We started our trek at 9 a.m. The route, all the steps gave us a feeling of adventurous trek. So after trekking for about half an hour, Anusha felt a bit tired because she is not much prone to trekking. The fort was really beautiful and we stopped here, clicked some pics and then heading again towards the top of the fort. This is one of the rainwater reservoir which we found among the 19. And finally, after trekking for 1 hour, we reached to the top of the fort. We didn't definitely count the number of steps. The view from the top was really amazing. We spent around 40 minutes and then we trekked down where our bikes were parked. I would definitely say this is one of the must-visit places near Bangalore, or one of the fort which we have visited near Bangalore. Thanks for your time for watching the video. Please do like, share, subscribe, and if there are any comments, you can place it in the comment section and I'll definitely reply back to you. Stay tuned for our next video.